at Crazy Onga Cafe, and I don't know what we're getting, but my mum was ordering, but when the other people's food came, she said, "Ooh, I'm getting that." And here are the people who are here. My mom, those two, and Connie and me. And I'm going to show you guys a beautiful view. You guys are going to like it. So, here's the view. Here are the other people. And that's the boat. The water's nice and blue. And here's my sister and the other people. And then there's more view, and here's a person who wasn't in the camera before. Her.
Hi.
Go in the light.
What's on?
Please go in the light.
Kia ora and welcome to Lardi. Where are we?
Crazy Onga, but they can't see you
Well, they saw you.
because I'm with lighters.
Okay, fine. You turn around. You come over this side.
And that's my auntie Santal.
And this is my crazy niece,
Lardi.
Lardi, what is your favorite experience so far?
Going to the Anapala cave.
What was at the Anapala Caves? Look.
There was we went on a 5-minute walk, and there's so much stairs, and we only went to the first part because if you went into the middle, it would drop.
Did you drop?
Nope.
Are you sure about that? Oh look, it's another. Nanny Rizzo's over there.
I'll take it from here.
Look at Hugo.
I'm gonna fillet up, get them for
I got a pose for it.
We're here at, what's the place called?
Crazy Onga
Crazy Onga Cafe. And out to sea, what do we see back there?
The boat that has our stuff on it.
And how long is it until we get our stuff?
1 hour.
1 hour?
Yeah.
I thought Tuesday.
Guys, Senna.
And Tuesday.
Take mine.
Bye, camera. Oh.
Hey. And then. I am.
Okay.
Tell them.
Is that an interview or just a still shot?
That's it. I can do whatever I want.
All right, take a photo.
Coconut.
Can you take a selfie?
Okay.
Can you take a selfie?
I don't know how to do it. So here it is. How do I take selfies? How do I take pictures, Dad? It's the other way.